Ready. Start. I deem it my privilege to make a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 46th report of the Standing Committee on Finance, 16th Lok Sabha, relating to Ministry of Finance, Departments of Economic Affairs, Expenditure, Financial Services, and DIPAM in pursuance of Direction 73A of the Honorable Speaker, Lok Sabha, wide Lok Sabha Bulletin, Part 2, dated 1st September 2004, the 46th report of the Standing Committee on Finance, 16th Lok Sabha, relating to examination of demands for grants 2017-18 of Ministry of Finance, Departments of Economic Affairs, Expenditure, Financial Services, and DIPAM was presented to the Lok Sabha on 17th March 2017. In its report, the committee deliberated on various issues and made 12 recommendations which mainly pertain to budgetary allocation, demand wise changes in budgetary schedule, under utilization of funds in the insurance schemes, unspent balance instead of savings, regional rural banks, RRBs, public sector banks, recapitalization, CD ratio, etc. Digitalization of economy, chess, business, service price index, implementation of budget announcement relating to AIIMS and UMPP and disinvestment, action taken, statements on the recommendations, observations contained in the report had been sent to the Standing Committee on Finance on 20th June 2017. Present status of implementation of the recommends made by the committee in the 46th report is indicated in annexure. I would